is mental health?
Umot lang. Ambot. Tsaka mental health.
Mental health is a balance of person's internal life and adaptation to reality. But World Health Organization defines it as a state of well-being in which a person has the ability to cope with the normal stresses of daily life and his ability to realize his potential. Mental illness refers to a disease concerning to a behavior or cognition of a person. So it changes person's mood and affect. It also affects the ability of a person to judge and discern what is appropriate or not appropriate. Today, the young generation is very hesitant to address the concern of mental health problems because of the fear of stigma, and that results to discrimination. So that is why, while they are manifesting the symptoms, they just ignore or overlook it.
The individual could possibly experience loss of appetite, or the opposite of it, overeating, discomfort or extreme anxiety, no, mga unrealistic na mga worries, lack of focus, sometimes behavior is uncoordinated, and then lack of interest sa daily life activities.
So one of the symptoms is the variation of mood. So if you will notice somebody in the morning, masaya siya, very happy, and in the afternoon or maybe after 3 hours, the person has very low level of energy or depressed na siya. Okay, next is the disturbed sleep. So sometimes the person has difficulty in sleeping or difficulty in going back to sleep pag nakakagising siya ng maybe midnight or 1 a.m. or early dawn. And then next is there's this difficulty in making a decision and a persistent seclusion of the self from other people. So withdrawing the self or isolate self from others. And sometimes physical symptoms like experiencing headache or stomach ache without any response with routine treatment. The causes of mental illness is often very complex, but there's this vulnerability and stress theory explains how mental illness develops. So when you say vulnerability, maybe there's a vulnerability of the genes. So mental illness is hereditary. So if your parents has mental illness or one or both parents, so there's more likely to develop mental illness.
We have students showing signs and symptoms of depression, especially students na may mga suicidal tendencies, no, as one of the signs and symptoms. We immediately refer this to a psychiatrist and call the attention of parent or official guardian to inform the family or significant person about the condition of the student, and then refer, with the consent of the parent, refer the individual or student to a psychiatrist.
Mental health is peace of mind. Okay? Mental health is being at peace with oneself, okay? With the people that surrounds you, okay? With the nature and with God. So if you know something, if you have the knowledge, so light your candles with them also. So impart your knowledge.